Good morning. I thought it would be fun to do a day in the life today, but first, let's get ready. Let's pick out an outfit first. It's pretty warm today, but I think I want to wear a long skirt and maybe a crop top. I think I want to do this blue one. Here's the fit today. I love these long skirts. So I already had breakfast. I'm a wake up and eat kind of girl. Actually, I like to do yoga and then eat, but we're gonna pack up some sticker orders and then I'll take you along to my favorite tea shop. Actually, before we do anything, we have to clean the craft room. Let me show you how messy it is. That's much better. Now we can get to work. Now that the room's all clean, we can pack up sticker orders so that I can drop them off at the post office on my way to the tea shop. I love watching Animal Crossing Island Tours while I pack sticker orders. It's like my morning piece. I wanted to show you all my stickers because I just got 5 new ones in not that long ago. Now that we have our orders packed, let's go get some tea. I'm also wearing this purse with my outfit. I'll show you the final, but it's from Sundrop Soul. If you don't follow her, you definitely should. She has a YouTube channel too, but look how cute this purse is. There's the fit with the bag. I love it so much. I'm back. I have my tea. It's almost gone. I got an iced matcha latte with vanilla. And if you've watched my other vlogs, I probably went to the tea shop in my vlog because I love it. They do such a good job. And as you can see from the videos, like the aesthetic there is so peaceful, calm. I want my next house to look like the inside of that tea shop. So good. So I thought I'd do a little life update real quick before we continue with the next part of our day. As some of you know, I was working a full-time job. I was working that job and doing Wonder Crochet for quite a while. I was doing that for like 2.5 years. And I'm just so thankful to say that I'm now full-time doing Wonder Crochet. It was literally my dream. So thank you all. Thank you for your support in any way, watching my videos, liking them, buying my patterns and plushies, and even just going on my blog and doing my free patterns. It really means a lot to me, and just thank you so much. This is literally a dream come true. So this is the first full week that I'm full-time doing my crochet business. So that's why I thought it would be really fun to do one of these vlogs. So let's continue with our day. So my newest pattern, which actually comes out this Friday, is my no-sew turtle pattern. And these are nice because they sit up on their own. I'm just making a bunch of these this week in different colors just to show how versatile the pattern is. So the bulk of today actually is going to be crocheting. That's not always the case when it comes to like a normal work day, but my other goals for today are to get my newsletter, to get a new YouTube video filmed, which is meta because I'm doing it right now, and then to do some work on my blog. I want to make a new free pattern this week too, but now that I have more time, I should be able to do just more patterns and more fun stuff for you all. So I'll show you all of my works in progress and we'll see how many we can get done today. I'm working on another turtle, and I know this is the same color as the original turtle, but I did the shell in this pretty floral color, and this is the Premier Chenille Bloom yarn. Oh wait, no, this is the Loops and Threads one. They're the same yarns, they're just different brands. So I'll link Premier, but you can also get it at Michael's. I don't think they have it online at Michael's yet. They only have it in some stores, so that's why I'll link Premier. It's the pretty floral line. So I did that for the shell, and I think it's going to turn out cute. So that's one work in progress that I have. And then I want to make another one that will look kind of like a dessert turtle. And it's in this Parfait Chunky Pom Pom yarn with those pretty, I think they look like sprinkles, the pretty rainbow sprinkles in there. And I have the white and the yellow. And then I might put like whipped cream on the head. So I might make this a mod after I finish the pattern and release that mod just on my Instagram. And then the last turtle work in progress that I have going right now, I really just started this one, is a pink turtle. So I just started the head here. And then I have 2 more works in progress. So that's 1, 2, 3 turtles. And I'm almost done with this one. This is my raccoon pattern, which can be found in my shops. I'll link it in the description as well. And I did it in this pretty floral. This is the same yarn that Loops and Threads has it at Michael's, and then Premier has it as well, so I'll link Premier. But it's this pretty purple floral, and this one is called Iris Blossom. I love the names of yarns. They're like nail polish colors. So I'd like to finish this one. I don't know if I'll finish it today since I have so many works in progress. Maybe, we'll see. And then my last whip for this week is my s'mores pattern. And I did this with the Parfait Chunky pom-pom yarn because I wanted it to look, I don't know, like a birthday cake marshmallow. And then I have one of the graham crackers done. So I have to finish the other. I have the feet done, and then I just need the face. And I sell face packs, so I have those ready to go. So maybe I'll finish this one today. We'll see. I think first I'm going to finish up that turtle with the blue and white shell because I'm closest to being done with that one. And then we'll take a little break and we'll work on my newsletter and my website. I finished my turtle. I love this shell. I think I'm gonna make a lot more with the floral. I wonder how it would look if I made like the skin part in the floral yarn. I don't know. This is one of my whips that it's done. Next, I'm going to do some computer work. So not as fun as crocheting plushies, but I'm going to do some stuff for my website, get my newsletter ready to send out, and answer messages. So those will take a bit. And it's pretty boring, so I don't think I'll show you that part. Sorry, I just had a coughing attack, so my eyes are watering. I finished my computer work, so now it's time for lunch. I'm starving. So I'm going to make lunch, and then I'll take you on a walk with me. Back from lunch and my walk, had an outfit change because it is so hot. It's like 85, which if you live in like Florida or something, that's not that hot, but it was hot for here and I'm not used to it. Now I'm going to cool off with a little bit more work on my computer, and then we'll pick our next work in progress that we're going to finish today. Finished my computer work and I filmed a couple TikToks too. I'll honestly say the bulk of what I do as a crochet artist is content creation. So filming videos, taking pictures, just interacting with everyone on social media. And it's funny because my full-time job before this, I actually worked in marketing. It's not that big of a jump. I actually have to film and edit content for a brand collaboration, which I can't really talk about, but when it's finished, I will be able to share it on social media whenever the brand posts it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, give me a follow there and you'll be able to see it. But that is the last thing that I have to do for today. It's probably going to take me a few hours just to film that and get that content edited. So I didn't get to finish a lot of my whips, which I knew would happen. It always happens that I end up doing more like computer stuff than I do actually crocheting. But I think I'm gonna finish one tonight just while I'm relaxing, watching TV with my husband. I'll probably finish another one of the turtles. Actually, I'll probably finish the raccoon since that one's almost done. So I'll post that on all my socials whenever I finish it. But thanks so much for watching and seeing what a day in the life of a full-time crocheter is. If you like these types of videos, let me know, or let me know what you want to see next in the comments. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.